Hello guys! In today's video, we are going to present you the top 5 best water softeners available on the market. We made decisions our personal preference and solidly based on their prices, quality, durability, and repetition of the manufacturers. Check out the description to find out their prices and more information. I've included the link in the description below. Don't forget to like, comment, share, subscribe, and hit the bell button for upcoming video notifications. So without further ado, let's get started. Number 1. GE Water Softener System. Smart and efficient are 2 ways to describe the functionality of this popular whole house water softener. The GE GX SH40V has a 40,200 grain capacity sufficient for typical 4-person households. It features GE SmartSoft technology, which allows the system to detect water usage patterns and optimize regeneration schedules so that softened water is available during peak periods of usage such as during your family's morning shower rush or at dinner time. Regeneration takes about 2 hours and uses 37 gallons of water. Its smart features aren't the only thing that makes this water softener our top pick. This model only takes about 30 minutes to an hour to install, which is much less time than other water softeners on the market. At 14.4 x 22.4 x 47.6 inches, it's likely small enough to fit in your laundry room or water closet. One of the most unique features of the GE GX SH40V is its blending valve, which allows you to adjust the hardness of your water to match your needs. Using the digital controller, you can adjust water hardness levels, conserving salt usage, or increasing water softness to suit your preference. The controller will also provide you with a days to empty indicator, giving you an at-a-glance indicator of when it's time to add more to the 230-pound capacity salt bin. This water softener not only delivers on its promise to remove iron and grains from your water, but its smart technology almost anticipates your needs, which is why it's our top pick. Number 2. Whirlpool WHE40E 40,000 Grain Softener. Don't continue to replace faucets, dishwashers, and other water-based fixtures or appliances due to the premature wear and tear caused by hard water. Install the single-tank salt-based water softener by Whirlpool and immediately improve the quality of the water by removing hard minerals from the water flowing into the home. By treating the problem at the source, the rest of the plumbing isn't exposed to the hard water. Keep in mind, however, that a small amount of salt is added to the water during the ion exchange process, and the salt levels must be regularly refilled. This water softener has a capacity of 40,000 grains, and it recharges automatically using a metered system. What we like? Metered system automatically regenerates salt only when necessary. Suitable for large households of up to 6 people. Built-in low salt indicator. What we don't like? Add salt to the system and must be refilled regularly. Number 3. WaterBoss 36,400 Grain Water Softener System. With the WaterBoss water softener, users won't have to worry about waiting over an hour for the system to regenerate, because this water softener can regenerate in just 20 minutes, saving time and water. The affordable single-tank salt-based water softener has a capacity of 36,400 grains, and it's a suitable option for households with 3 or 4 people. This is one of the best water softener systems you can buy at an affordable price, making it an attractive solution for hard water problems in average-size homes. It comes with both a factory-installed bypass and a built-in safety shutoff system, making it easier to safely clean the water softener. Just keep in mind that the softener does add salt to the water and the salt does need to be refilled regularly. What we like? Built-in safety shutoff system. Factory-installed bypass. Rapid regeneration process reduces water consumption. Affordable price for households with 3 or 4 people. What we don't like? Salt must be refilled as necessary. Number 4. Aquasure Harmony Series 48,000 Grains Water Softener. A water softener for well water is typically equipped with an iron filter. This additional filter helps to address the specific needs of homes supplied by well water and reduces the presence of iron and rust stains on sinks, tubs, and toilets. Aquasure's Harmony series is outfitted with fine mesh resin that captures minerals like calcium, magnesium, and iron. It has the ability to filter water with a hardness up to 110 GPG. Choose between water softeners with the capacity to filter 32,000, 48,000, or 64,000 GPG before regeneration is needed. The regeneration cycle uses 40 gallons of water and lasts 98 minutes. Regardless of the size tank you choose, the Aquasure has a digital control console that monitors water consumption and regulates the frequency of regeneration. What we like? Iron filter ideal for well water. Fine mesh resin to capture wide range of minerals. Ability to handle very hard water. Useful digital controls. What we don't like? Number 5. On-the-go portable double standard water softener. The on-the-go portable double standard water softener is the best option for RV, boats, buses, or any other situation where a water softener needs to be compact and movable. The on-the-go water softener has a 16,000 grain capacity, which is the lowest capacity of any of our recommendations, but it makes up for it with a straightforward regeneration cycle that takes less than 30 minutes and uses 2 boxes of table salt. Regeneration is made even easier thanks to the system's large open mouth. Depending on how hard your water is, the on-the-go has a high enough grain capacity to provide between 640 and 1,600 gallons of softened water in between regenerations. True to its name, the on-the-go has a number of features that make it ideal for travelers and anyone likely to uninstall and reinstall the unit in multiple locations. In addition to its 22 by 9.5 inch design, it has a carry handle on top, plus a cap and plug to prevent leaking during travel. It also uses a standard hose connection and requires no tools to install. With a flow rate of 3 gallons per minute, this water softener is more than capable of keeping up with an RV or marine shower. It also comes with harness test strips, hose adapters, and a cradle base for stable installation. On-the-go also offers a smaller portable standard water softener, without about half the capacity. But we believe it's worth the upgrade for the extra capacity.